Hi, I'm Daymond John from ABC Shark Tank. Now, every day, small businesses across America fight to get their products in front of a company or a business leader who can propel them forward. And entrepreneurs from underrepresented communities face even tougher obstacles. Lowe's wants to change that. And that's why I'm teaming up with the home improvement retailer to offer diverse small businesses the opportunity to pitch their big idea directly to Lowe's leadership team for a chance to sell their products at Lowe's, with some even gaining mentorship, marketing support, and investments to help get their product into the hands of the masses. Making It with Lowe's offers opportunities for small business owners who are minorities, members of the LGBTQ community, people with disabilities, veterans, and women, and giving them an opportunity to share their stories and highlight their unique products that could add value to the Lowe's customers. The 5 final business owners will pitch their product to a panel of Lowe's executives for the chance to become the Making It with Lowe's top supplier. Let's do this. I'll take you through each phase, but first, let me introduce you to our Lowe's team. First up, we have Executive Vice President of Merchandising, Bill Bolts. Next is Executive Vice President and Chief Brand and Marketing Officer, Marissa Thalberg. Then we have Lowe's President and CEO, Marvin Ellison. Next is Executive Vice President of Human Resources, Janice Dupre. And finally, Lowe's Executive Vice President of Stores, Joe McFarland. We're going to hear from 5 participants who have stood out from the rest and have made a compelling pitch to receive even more support from Lowe's. We asked each participant to create a short video introducing us to their product.
Aloha, my name is Sean Santos. I'm from Honolulu, Hawaii, and I'm the founder and inventor of Grease Hero.
Using Grease Hero will not only prevent future sewage clogs, but also make the world a much cleaner place to be in the years to come.
Hey y'all, my name is Christina Warner McKinnis, the founder and CEO of Soil Kit by Agritech Corp. My family has been farming primarily row crops and turf grass for more than 100 years. Soil Kit by Agritech Corp is a fully automated, lab-based soil test kit and technology platform that provides homeowners and landscape professionals an incredibly easy to use soil collection and registration process and easy to understand soil amendment recommendation report.
Hi, my name is Joe Porsche. My company is Maltus. I'm from Metairie, Louisiana, just outside of New Orleans. I'm here to introduce you to my product, Handle and Haul. I've designed a simple way with a very effective tool to lift smarter, not harder. And it's just a simple tool. It's a closed loop panel with a lock and removable peg, but it allows you to easily attach it to straps and ropes.
Hi, my name is Kim Huber. I'm the co-owner of the Python Plunger, located in Stillwater, Minnesota. We designed a rotating antimicrobial and hydrophobic snake located inside the plunger. This is Python Plunger.
Hi, I'm Tafiq Shaw, founder and CEO of Lola's Fine Hot Sauce, a generational family recipe from my mom. Lola's is unlike any other hot sauce on the market because we use fresh, real ingredients that provide an umami flavor explosion that enhances any cuisine as the perfect complement for any dish. The rich flavor of fresh American-grown garlic, red jalapenos, fresh squeezed lime, and just a dash of the world's hottest pepper create the perfect balance of heat and flavor. Nothing's meant to burn your face off. Lola's designed all of her hot sauces with health in mind.
The Lowe's team discussed what set these top entrepreneurs apart from the rest. Each one brought passion, provided a customer solution, and had memorable stories of inspiration.
Just wow, what amazing products. I really do think that all of you have so much potential and that we're really looking forward to helping you continue to grow your business. And while only 3 are gonna move on to the next phase, we want to support all of your businesses, and we're going to do that by giving each of you a $5,000 small business grant. So these are the funds that you can use for things like hiring a consultant, maybe developing your business plan or your website, acquiring those needed certifications that you might need, whatever you need to help move your business along. So Kim and Sean, the Python Plunger and the Grease Hero are just incredible products. And although you're not gonna move on to the next phase, our merchants are looking forward to working with you to bringing your products to life inside of Lowe's and on Lowes.com. So thanks to both of you for being part of the program.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, congratulations to our top 3 participants. Now, we're moving on to phase 2. We asked each of these businesses to tell us about their customer experience. Who's their target customer? Why do customers love their product? How is it different from the competition? This is a real chance for these entrepreneurs to show us that they truly understand their customers and are solving their needs. So let's take a look at the video from our first participant, Christina with Soil Kit.
Hi, I'm Christina Warner McInnes, the founder and CEO of Agritech Corp. I'd like to explain how Soil Kit can enhance the Lowe's experience for DIY homeowners and landscape pros. Now with Soil Kit, entire neighborhoods can be tested in one fell swoop with our easy-to-use mobile technology. Even better, pros can mine the data to produce marketing campaigns to expand their markets and sell more Lowe's products.
Now let's take a look at the video submitted from Multis Handel and Hall.
The mousetrap, the wheel, and beer. Do you know what all these things have in common? They've been getting better over time. And you know what else has gotten better over time? The handle, thanks to Multis products.
It'll replace cooler handles, bucket handles, toolbox handles, or carrying a bundle of firewood.
Talking about the perfect drag and utility handle from Multis products. That's right. These things have a closed loop handle that allow for amazing comfort and control when you're using it. It's got a removable peg so you can change the straps out. You can push it back in, it locks back in. They allow for the best position when you are pulling, lifting, or dragging. I'm telling you, you're gonna wanna get yourself one.
Last, let's hear from Tafiq Shah for Lola's Fine Hot Sauce.
At Lola's, our target customer is everybody. Lola's isn't meant to burn your face off, and everything is focused on a balance between flavor and heat. Lately, we've noticed spicy trends taking off, and lots of millennials and baby boomers are trying our family recipes and using them all the time.
All right, so it's time for the executives to figure out what they're gonna do, so I'm going to kindly ask you to please begin your deliberations.
I think the good news is we'll find a way to get all of these products either online or in our stores. And when you listen to just the stories and the passion behind the products, you're glad that we're going to find a way to allow everyone to participate with Lowe's.
Marissa, I'm going to ask you to reveal the results of phase 2.
We loved hearing about how each of your products are making homes better for so many customers, and in some cases really making lives better as they make homes better. But we can only move 2 of you forward to the next phase. But I want to make sure you know that we want to partner with all 3 of you to expand your customer reach. So each of you is going to receive a marketing support package. And that means we'll help you build a marketing plan to drive sales of your product at Lowe's. So we'll have you work with a brand and media specialist on my team, and they'll work with you on messaging, marketing campaign, and a plan to put it into the market. Sound good?
Perfect.
That's awesome.
Tafiq, we love Lola's hot sauce. It's an amazing product, and as we said before, we want to bottle your energy right along with you bottling up this amazing product. But we're not going to have you advance to the next phase, but please know our merchants are looking forward to working towards bringing your product to both Lowes.com and in our stores, and I think you gave us a lot of great ideas about how to do that creatively. And so, thank you for being a part of our program, and we're down to our final 2.
Congratulations to our top 2. Now we're moving on to the final phase. In this phase, each of our entrepreneurs have a couple of minutes to explain their story as business owners. I'm particularly interested to see how their experience as a diverse supplier has shaped their trajectory. So, let's hear from our first entrepreneur, Christina.
Thank you for this question about diversity in my story. It's a very intimate, personal question, so I appreciate this one. I was raised by a bunch of strong women, my grandmother being one of them, Lily Warner. Every Saturday she picked me up. She started our farm's first store, and she would pick me up on Saturdays and take me with her when I was 7. Sat me down right next to her, taught me how to connect to customers. I was also raised by a strong-willed mother who taught me how to be tough, and when things got hard around the farm, we had to buckle down and get to work. After college, coincidentally, I found myself back at the garden center, the store that my grandmother started, and again, doing exactly what she taught me to do, connect to customers. It was there that I learned that so many people, landscapers and homeowners, were in there working on lawn and garden, having problems with lawn or garden, and coming right to the experts to figure out what should we be doing. And so that's how we developed Soil Kit, was to address a pain point in the marketplace.
Now let's hear from Joe.
All through high school, worked with my father, whether it was building fences, making gardens, or doing home remodeling. I was fortunate to get an education. I've been a practicing physician assistant for the past 23 years in orthopedics and interventional pain management. I have a great passion for helping people to avoid injuries, and even a bigger passion for those people that have those injuries to maintain their quality of life and keep their independence. So to pivot a little bit, about 15 years ago, a drunk driver hit me, crushed injuries to my wrist, neck, and low back. Prior to that, and even right after that, I was that kind of guy. When there was adversity, I went through the wall. As those injuries became more cumbersome and more of a problem grabbing things, I had to learn how to build tools, make things, because I wouldn't give up the things I love doing. And that's where my handle came about. It's a personal thing.
All right, so it's time for the executives to figure out what they want to do. So I'm going to kindly ask you to please begin your deliberations.
Who will walk away as the top new small business owner for one of the world's top home improvement retailers?
I want to reveal the final results. Marvin, will you do the honors?
Yes, sir, I will. So look, this has been an incredibly difficult decision. You both have pitched excellent products and showcased why customers love it. And to say your stories are inspiring is an understatement. So Christina, a Soil Kit is an amazing product, and you should be incredibly proud. When I look at the most successful leaders, one thing that we all have in common and we hope to emulate is a continual cycle of continuous learning. So to help you with the continue to learn process and improve, we'd like to offer you a mentorship program. We're going to pair you with one of our top vendor partners so they can help you navigate the challenges and barriers to scale your business. We want to thank you for being part of the program, and we're looking forward to a great partnership and working to bring your product to Lowes.com and in our stores.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, Joe, congratulations on the Maltus handle and haul being our top product in making it with Lowe's. Congratulations. Look, in addition to all the benefits you've earned throughout this challenge, we also wanted to support your business with a mentorship program in addition to a $50,000 small business grant. This grant can be applied toward resources that will best support you in accelerating the growth of your business. So Joe, how do you feel?
Yeah, I'm so humbled by the experience. It's pretty amazing. You know, you go from an idea to a product and you work really hard. You just can't imagine that you would be in a place like this and have an opportunity like this, and words cannot explain how I feel right now. And I will make the opportunity very well worth it between your organization and what I think I have to offer you. And it's really not about me, it's a bigger picture, it's about the process. And I'm really enjoying this. I appreciate everything you guys done, and I think it's gonna grow and it's gonna be bigger than what it has been right now.
Listen, Marvin, thank you so much. Thank you for believing in everyday Americans and believing in entrepreneurship and giving us all, of no matter what our backgrounds is, the opportunity to be working with such a great brand that cares about the consumers. And I also want to thank you, everyone who's tuning in, for following the journey of these businesses who are making it with Lowe. I look forward to seeing these products online and in store. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you, Lowe.